Hello students, I would like to take you to a journey of fashion designing, which is one of the most lucrative and glamorous careers. What is fashion designing? It is the art of applying design, aesthetics, and natural beauty to clothing and its accessories. It is influenced by cultural and social attitudes and has evolved over a period of time. Fashion is like a river because of its constant movement, which depends on an environment made up of social, political, and economic factors. Let us understand something about BWalk in fashion designing. It is a skill-based and job-oriented course which has multiple exit points. The course content is designed to equip the students with the theoretical as well as practical aspects of the industry. The course has been structured to bring out the creativity of the students by teaching them the art of application of design and aesthetics to clothing. It focuses on the development of knowledge and skills. It provides opportunity for creative expression and critical thinking in all aspects of designing. It helps in understanding consumer behavior, which is one of the most important pillars of fashion designing. The subjects offered for the first year diploma are as follows: Communicative English and Personality Development, along with computer application, remain the core of general component. In the skill component, the students learn Fashion Foundation, which deals with the basics of fashion, fashion illustration and surface development techniques, which teaches the students different ways of value addition to the fabric. The second semester deals with pattern making and garment construction. Internship and fashion show form an integral part of the curriculum, which leads to industrial exposure and brings out the creativity and hidden talent of the students. The department conducts regular workshops on various subjects: exhibition cum sale, industrial visits, guest lecture for the holistic development of the students. It is rightly said that a picture always reinforces the concept. Here, we would like to share a few glimpses of last year's fashion show. After completion of first year of BWalk, a student can work as a fashion consultant, visual merchandiser, pattern maker, wardrobe stylist, apparel merchandiser, fashion journalist, entrepreneur, boutique owner, a computer-aided designer, production manager, theatre costume designer, and a fashion illustrator. The list is endless and the career opportunities are very vast. So students, come and explore your dream career with us and reach greater heights, for sky is the limit. For further inquiry, please feel free to contact us at the given number.